Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Attalla local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a cheap Attalla moving company should be a simple process. 3 Movers is the right choice with all the best local and long-distance moving options for you. Whether you need to relocate just down the road or several states over, we can help. Our movers have helped many homeowners, veterans, students, renters, and business owners move. A long-distance move requires the right services. We offer the following options. Packing services. With our packing and unpacking services, you get the most convenient move possible. Moving supplies. You can pack your things properly with the moving supplies we offer. An on-time move. Our movers keep your moving day running on time by showing up at the scheduled time without delay. Upfront pricing. Get a free moving quote from us and set a proper budget with an accurate price. Licensed and insured. Your items remain protected when you choose to work with us. If you need to relocate for a new job or any other reason, we can help. Whether that relocation is 1 state over or several states away, we can make it simple for you. Our team takes the stress out of moving so you don't have nearly as much to worry about. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Attalla moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. With the right moving services, you get to where you need to go faster. We provide all types of services to move anything you need. Even if you need to store your things during a transition, we can help. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.